May I know your full name, please?
Yeah, this is Nur Muhammad Tanbir Buyan. My family member fans call me Tanbir. If you feel comfortable, you can call me Tanbir.
How are you doing today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. What about you, sir?
I'm the Lawans all doing well. Tanvir, where are you from?
I'm originally from Norsindi, sir. Actually, it's famous for banana.
Okay, you are from Nokshindi.
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell me about some famous place of Nokshindi?
Yeah, there are lots of famous places in Norsindi, like Dim Holiday Park, Golden Star Park, and lots of places in famous for Norsindi. That's it.
How many times did you visit there?
Actually, I have visited 10 or 15 times because it's nearest my home. That's why I visit.
How many members do you have in your family?
Thank you. There are 5 members in my family, my parents, sibling, including me.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one younger brother and one younger sister.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman. He's a hardworking person. He works hard day to night and he takes care of our family.
So, who is your favorite person in your family?
Actually, my mother is my favorite person because my mother's always motivate me and he helped me in my critical time. He support me.
Has your mother influenced your life?
Yeah, my mother influenced my life. She is my world. I love my mother very much.
What do you like the most about your mother?
I like my mother kindness and she also support other people.
So, why do you study?
Recently, I have completed my diploma in food engineering in North Polytechnic Institute. But right now, I'm a student at Rahas English Care.
Why did you come to Ras English Care?
Actually, when I was at internship, this time I couldn't speak English. When I was internship, this time I was a coordinator, some visitor, and this time some people went there for visiting, like sixth grade or seventh grade student. They spoke English fluently, but I couldn't understand their speech. This time I decided I must be needed English, and that's why I joined Rahas English Care. And I know Rahas English Care is a famous institute in all over the country. That's why I'm selected Rahas English Care.
What's your opinion about the education system of Ras English Care?
In my personal opinion, Rahas English Care environment is professional and friendly, and the teacher also supportive. If anyone don't understand, sir, call, come here, and easily they solve this problem.
Okay, I know that you are students of residential, right?
Yes, sir.
So, would you like to say something about residential?
Rahas English Care residential is environment is really good. The teacher also friendly and professional. They most of the time they motivate us. Rahas English Care residential teacher I love Kayum sir because he also motivate us. He take care us and his teaching style is really amazing and we can understood properly and he.
Would you like to say something about our honorable Sir Hassar?
Yeah, Rahas sir also like multinational teacher. I think he motivate us, and his teaching style is really good. That's it.